Good morning and welcome to this session of Money, Sex, Power. We are learning success from the richest man who ever lived. Today is day 30. We read from chapter 30, verse 32. If you have been foolish, exalting yourself, or if you have been devising evil, put your hand over your mouth. Sometimes we make mistakes in our lives, but we don't know how to rectify those mistakes. Sometimes we lose our way, we miss our path, we go somewhere and we don't know how to retrieve our path. Many times we are like this in our life. We do things we should not be doing and we don't know what to do after that. Sometimes we say sorry, sometimes we don't say sorry. Sorry doesn't bring back the money which you have lost. Sorry doesn't bring back the relationship which you have lost. So what you have to actually do when you make an erroneous lifestyle or make a wrong decision or make some emotional upset somewhere, what you should do? King Solomon, the wisest man, has an answer to it. I want to explain this with the help of mathematics. Now, mathematics, if you are a student of mathematics, even in your lowest classes, it always has a lot of numericals where it all finally comes to a number. When you do the mathematical problems, when you put the steps, when you are following the steps, you won't know anything. But when you come to the result will be wrong. If you see the answer may be 35 and you will get 569. Now you will wonder where I did the mistake. So how to solve the problem? My maths teacher told me, go one step up, then go one step up, then go one step up, and you go to the step where you did the mistake. Probably instead of one number, you have written another number. Instead of putting a plus sign, you may have put a minus sign. Whatever may be the mistake, you rectify there. That means my maths teacher told me, when you don't get the right results, then you have to go to that step where you made the mistake. My friends, even in life, when we make a mistake, we should go to the step where we made the mistake. So there are three types of mistake King Solomon is talking about. One is foolishness. We all can make mistakes because of our foolishness or not using the intelligence right. The second thing is exalting yourself. Just to push yourself forward when you should not be doing that, or probably talk something which when you should not be talking. The third thing is devising evil. That is, you are outright wrong, you have devised evil, you have planned something which is against somebody or which is wrong according to some sort of an agreed constitution. My friends, when you do mistakes in your life, what you should be doing is you should put your hand over your mouth. That means you stop there. After that, just don't talk. You put your hand over your mouth means you just arrest your talking. If you are foolish, after that don't talk. Let it get rectified. You just don't talk. Many times our arguments, you see people arguing with each other. This guy is pouring out the foolishness. This guy is also pouring out his foolishness, and it escalates and it becomes a very big fight, an argument, and it becomes such a bitter fight. Sometimes it can end up in a physical fight also. Why it happens? Because foolishness, when it is not curtailed, it will go to that level. It can go to any level. My friends, in the same way, the mistakes what we make, sometimes we make those mistakes. There is no way we can come out of it. But we can arrest it at that point. That is, put your hand over your mouth. It means that is, you arrest your talking. Just say sorry and keep quiet. Till the other guy settles down, you just arrest your talking. If you have done some exalting yourself where you should not push yourself, stop there. Don't push yourself more than that. Wait for them to invite you to come further on. You don't proceed. If you have done evil, just stop doing evil. That's what King Solomon, the wisest man, is saying. Many times, by closing your mouth, you actually close the more problem which can happen. By stop talking, you actually arrest further escalation of the problem. We actually don't know what damage has been happened with our own errors. but at the same time, we can definitely stop the further damage. My friends, put your hand on your mouth means you just arrest talking. From that point onwards, see that you are only quiet till the things settle down. Thank you for joining us. Hope you enjoyed today's session. We will meet tomorrow, same time. God bless.